Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the PayPal fees for your incoming payments, right? So let's say you receive a payment from someone, guys, and you want to see how much PayPal actually took from that payment that you receive. All you have to do is just once you log into your PayPal account, you will see that new payment that you've received and how much you've received. You will realize that it might be slightly off depending on how much you were supposed to receive. So if the person decide to pay more to so that it doesn't affect the fees that you receive, then you will most likely see something closer to the payment or the amount that you should receive. But if you see that it's slightly lower, then all you have to do is just scroll down a bit inside your dashboard or your home dashboard here and find the recent activities, and you'll find that payment. Now once you click on the payment and open up that payment, you'll find details here of the transaction, when the money was received, how much was added to your account, right? And you will see on the lower right hand side on the details, you will see the fee, right? And as you can see in my case, that they send me 1,000 here, and in this case minus 6666 basically. So that was basically the payment or the fees that PayPal actually took and the total amount that I received, right? And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and find it. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.